No, Jenna, I'm live on YouTube. Now say hello, say how are you?
How you?
I need some water or something. Thank you. Thank y'all so much. God bless you too. Careful. Get Wally some toys.
Why? Why? Why?
Think you gotta share?
Huh?
I gotta share, okay?
Huh? What, Mama? I do.
I see you making a drink.
Yeah. I'm doing. I'm baby. Drinking.
Hello, everybody.
I see, baby. Huh? Drink
Hold
it.
on. What I was gonna say. Excuse me. Tell us about your experience on nature. Can you? You know what I'm saying? Like, can you hear that on my live?
No.
You give me a cup of cold water?
You doing hogs?
I haven't yet because I haven't really said nothing, but I'm gonna start doing highlights.
You say what?
You give me a cup of cold water?
Yeah.
So my experience on nature is like, I love nature. I love being in Mother's Nature. Mother Nature is like a great thing to be in. I love Mother Nature because it brings so much excitement towards me. Mother Nature is like very earthy. It's part of life, so I feel like everybody should touch on nature. But like everybody should surround themselves with nature. I mean, everybody is already surrounded by nature anyways, right? Whole world is technically nature. I mean, everything that our whole earth is based off nature. I really feel like nature is like gold because not everybody gets to touch it. Not everybody gets to walk on it. Not everybody gets to go outside and experience the outside world and actually know what's going on with the nature and stuff like that. So I really feel like nature is like a very big thing with me. I just handled my mother nature and it was very earthy indeed. Exactly. Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Hello, you guys. Nature is definitely like, yes, love. Okay. But yeah, nature is like a wonderful thing to me. Okay.